Take a look at this track that just came off this sled. There's more tear outs than there are studs left in it. That is crazy. Swiss cheese. Some ditch bangers, though, still be like, I think I could squeeze a little bit of a season out of this one. Is up, big kids. Oh my gosh. I should throw those away anyways. Those have... There's no reason these are here. Ain't nobody looking for a belt guard. Today's pretty low-key so far. Shipping's all done. eBay messages are next on the list. Some voicemails. Got a dude who needs a track. So some snowmobile stuff still going on. Service. Waiting on a handful of parts. So we're in pretty good shape right there. Moved some stuff around. I got a delivery today. So yeah, Thursday, bro. Let's do it. Service got some service stuff got moved around over here. We got the XJ 550 up on the lift, all ready to go. Getting that thing into circulation here. Been peeking at it a little bit, but now it's officially on the docket. No spark. You know what would be the easiest thing in the world as far as hunting down electrical ghosts? Would just be like, hey, psst, psst, why you ain't got no spark? Got it. And then we just clear it up right there and be done. I got a stack of stickers chilling here. Let's send some stickers out. Hit me up if you want some stickers. And I don't know, the first bunch of people, I'll send some free stickers, dude. Let's do it. These are the key and flat slides off of that 99 XC700. This is going to determine if I'm having a good day or a really good day today. The little float pin. Let's see if you can see this. This is like the common thing on there. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, focus. No, all right, whatever. The float, the little pin. It eggs out on these. And that's pretty gosh dang egged out, so that's worth jack shit. Well, okay, we're just gonna have a good day today. Now we're not gonna have a super spectacular day. This was cheese on the burger. I'm gonna get a dollar menu hamburger instead. Let's give you an idea of the grasp. Let's give you a grasp of what. Let's start over. How about that? Give you an idea of what kind of profit we're talking about on this. What you watched me just lose is pretty much these carbs in good shape without that egged out, ovaled, enlarged float pin hole are worth $300 to the right guy. Probably a little more, like $275, somewhere in that neighborhood. What I have there, actually the one is good. We put a little larger dowel pin in there, like a little drill bit. Put that in there, break it off. That one's good to go. So I went from probably $300 to more like, I don't know, 100 something. I think it's salvaged the one, 150. And the other one's probably $40 worth of it. It's not a huge big deal, but that's what happens. Yeah, you roll the dice. You don't know. See what happens. We've lucked out numerous times. You strike out a few times. It all evens out in the end, right? Old school. I'm priming a fuel line. Just, got a mouthful of old gas. So let's see if there's a little bit of Brappuccino left. Wash this out of my mouth and get the hell out of here today. Peace.